This is my friend's bike, the Canyon Torque AL 5.0 2019. The frame is made up of aluminum with 175mm of rear travel. It uses a Raksha Super Deluxe R rear suspension and a Raksha Lyric 180mm travel front suspension. The handlebar is a 780mm Canyon G5 and a 40mm long Canyon G5 stem. It uses a Shimano Saint quad piston brakes with SRAM centerline 180mm rear and 203mm front rotor. Very strong. The saddle is an SDG circuit and it uses an iridium dropper seat post and a lever. The rims is an aluminum Sunringle Duroc and Sunringle SRC hubs for both front and rear. The tires are both 27.5 Maxxis DHR2 with a 2.4 width, tubeless ready, and extra protection casing. On the drivetrain, it uses a SRAM Eagle GX 12-speed rear derailleur, 11 to 52-tooth SRAM Eagle 12-speed cogs, paired with 32-tooth SRAM Eagle chainring. The crank is a true veteran descendant, with a Crank Brothers stamp-through pedals and E13 chain guide for extra protection. What I like about this bike is the geometry and suspension linkage. It uses the concept of long, low, and slack that really corners well, pedals better, and you can really feel the progressive suspension on the bumpy and rock section. These are one of the few bikes that I tried for the first time, but feels like I rode it for a very long time. There are two things that I don't like about this bike. First is the rear hub. For me, I prefer a quicker engagement hubs. Then the second one is that I prefer to use a high-rise handlebar instead of this mid-rise one. If God allows us to own one of these in the future, I will probably upgrade the hubs and the handlebar. Do you agree with my review? Let me know in the comment section below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell notification if you haven't yet subscribed to this channel.